We had a 1992 Toyota truck towed in. This vehicle would start and then die. Sometimes would start up but would have very little power or just crank over and not start at all. What we found by checking fuel pressure was that the vehicle was getting low fuel pressure. So we needed to check first the electrical system on the vehicle to see what may be wrong with it. The first step we did was to go to the diagnostic connector, and if you jumper the FP and B plus terminals in the diagnostic connector under the hood, you will bypass the relay system and relay control system on the vehicle, and it will send direct battery power to the fuel pump, and then we retry to start again, and the vehicle start and ran. With additional testing, we accessed the opening relay and tested for signals and power at the relay, which were good. So we replaced the opening relay, which is located behind the glove box. You can access it by removing the 4 screws that hold it in place. Then you'll find the relay bolted inside the right kick panel, held in with one 10 millimeter bolt. You remove the relay, swap the bracket, and then reinstall everything. One other thing to watch out on these vehicles is there is a switch in the mass airflow sensor that controls the relay also, and if that switch is not working, it will also prevent fuel pump operation. Now that I have the opening relay installed in the Toyota truck, taking it out for a test drive, give it a good little drive to make sure everything is operating properly. When the vehicle first came in, it would start and die or not even start at all. I could barely limp it around the parking lot, but we're cruising down the road, and the vehicle is driving good now that it has full fuel pressure, because the fuel pump wasn't getting enough electricity to power the pump up good enough to get good enough fuel pressure for the vehicle to run.